Hello, in this short video I'd like to quickly go over and show you what Builderall is, what are its main functionalities, what is it used for, so basically just a general introduction. Builderall is an all-in-one digital marketing platform. Its main function is to build website with it, but it has a lot of very useful applications built into it. Let's take a quick look. Let's scroll down a bit. You can see that it says the only platform with over 1000 features and 50 plus tools. And here you can see the main tools that Builderall has. So it's got a built-in website builder. You don't need to know any coding. It's drag and drop, and you can build your own website in a matter of minutes. If you don't want to use the Cheetah Builder, this is the website page builder of the platform. But if you don't want to use it, you can use WordPress instead. Also has email marketing functionalities built in, so you can collect emails, you can send newsletters. So it's very, very powerful. You can also register your domain name, and you can create custom email accounts with that domain. You also have WhatsApp automation tool. You have the option to send out text messages. Builderall has e-commerce functionalities, CRM. You have a really, really cool social proof tool. You can build quizzes. You have a number of customer support tools like help desk, chatbot, private chat, messenger chatbot, and so on, virtual assistant. You can create agency websites, you can create sales funnels, you can create magazines, you can host your videos. You have a really, really powerful appointment booking app. And of course, you can integrate these functionalities into the website that you build with the Builderall website builder. So this is a really, really powerful tool. You have everything under one roof, so you don't have to go and pay and subscribe for different third-party softwares, and you don't have to worry about updates and compatibility issues. Everything works as one. When you log in, you can see your dashboard here. Up here at the top right corner, you have some useful links. You have training, you have links to tutorials and documentations. This is where you can contact Builderall support if you need it. And also this is where you can access your account information. So if you click account, this panel will slide in. And if you go to advanced configuration, here you can change your personal details, and here you can access your invoices. Okay, let's go back. You can also buy a domain name through Builderall. It's very easy. You just need to select a domain name, and Builderall will set everything up for you. And then you can assign that domain to a page, to a website that you create here. Okay, so here, if we look at this Start a Project menu option, here we can create our website. We can create a physical store. We can create a simple checkout sales page, or we can create a membership website. And if we click on the tools, you can see the available tools that comes with your subscription plan. Of course, if you look at the subscription plans, they have 4 different plans. And here you can see which plan includes what functionalities. Even the cheapest plan contains a lot of useful things. You can build full-fledged websites. As you can see, you can create a simple website. You can create an e-commerce website. You can create blogs. You also have access to the appointment booking app. So basically, you have everything that you need here. The only drawback of the cheapest plan is that you can only host one domain, one website with this plan, and you have a limit on the number of subscribers you can collect, it's 2,000. But if you choose the marketer package, you can then host 3 different websites. Websites with 3 different domains. And with this package, there is no limit how many subscribers you can have. And of course, with all plans, you have automatic approval as a Builderall affiliate. And if someone buys a subscription through your affiliate link, then you will get a commission every month until that person is an active subscriber here in Builderall. And here you can also access your affiliate dashboard. But right now, let's take a look at these tools that we have available. So we can use the Cheetah website builder to build pages and build a website. Of course, you will have access to SEO functionalities. You have access to the WhatsApp automation tool. You can create custom emails. If you buy your domain name through Builderall, then you don't really have to do anything with the DNS manager. But if you purchase your domain name somewhere else, then here you can find settings that you need to make sure that the domain will be pointed to this to the Builderall servers. In a later video, I will show you how you can do this. And of course, the booking builder is also available. You can create really powerful appointment booking system. You can use it as a standalone functionality, or you can embed it in a page when you create a page with the Cheetah website builder. And also you have a social proof pop-up. This is a really cool feature. So for example, if you have an e-commerce website, you may have seen that on the bottom left corner, a small pop-up appears when someone purchases a product. It's a really, really cool thing, and it can, kind of encourage your visitors to buy your products or services. Then you have access to this new functionality, a click map. You can see what people are doing on your pages where they are clicking on the page. It's a little bit like a Hotjar. And also you have access to an Url Shortener app. So if you are doing affiliate marketing and you have those long, ugly affiliate links, then you can use this URL shortener to make them a little bit nicer. And finally, you have option to this Mailing Boss app, which is a full email marketing app built into Builderall. You can use it to collect emails and send out newsletters. This is really powerful. We will look into this as well later. Okay, so in this video, this is all I wanted to say. If you have any question, just leave a comment in the comment section below this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.